Hey, it's Chriso. How you doing? That's one I haven't seen before. It might have been done, but I've never seen it before, which what I'm doing at the moment. This is the owner's request. He's putting in a barn door. It's sliding on this side. He thought of putting in a cavity slider, but thought, oh, probably easier to put a barn door on. So we'll just covering the jamb and tiles, and it's going to look quite cool, I reckon. I haven't seen it before. Throw that one away, it looks a bit suspect. Don't use glue, people. Use decent stuff. I'm gluing to timber, so you mustn't use tile glue. I like it. You might want to do it yourself, even DIYs. Do away with the conventional opening door. Make your bathroom even bigger than what it is. This is a real bathroom, not a stage. I'm a real tiler. I have been for 35 years. I'm proud of it, actually. People say, "Oh God, yeah." But I enjoy having people happy. You wait till the owner sees this. Here we go. Oh wow. Ooh ah. Right, give myself a bit of a quirk. Nice. Nice, people, nice. I'll just do that head and then I'll get into this mosaic next, so stay tuned, people. pieces there. I'll go around the top here last. I'll do that head next. Maybe I'll do that next while I've got my saw and that set up, and then I'll do this. Okay, I've got to cut that. I'll have to go out and cut it on my saw. It's a little bit too small for my cutter. Alright, I'll come back when I'm doing that, and then that. Stay tuned, everyone. We'll see ya. Bye. Yibbity yibbity yibbity. That's all, folks.